Okay, now if you want to withdraw from your Luno app to your bank account, the first thing you need to do here is to sell. So you click on sell, because this looks like it's already in Naira, but you need to sell this. So you click on sell and it takes you to this place. You click on your Nigerian wallet, and once you click on your Nigerian wallet, it takes you here. You can actually input the amount you want, or you click on max, then you click on next, then it takes you here. The next thing is to confirm. So once you click on confirm, you input your Luno pin. After inputting your Luno pin, it takes you here, then you go to wallet. So now our money is now in the Nigerian wallet. So the next thing we can do here is to withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, you create voucher. Then you input the amount you want to withdraw, or you click on max for the total. Then you click on next. Then you confirm. Click on confirm. Then you input your Luno pin again. Then it takes you here. Then you redeem now. Then here you select your bank account. You can add a new bank account, or you can use the existing one that has been there. But for you, you'll be adding a new bank account. So they'll be sending you a code to your email address registered on your Luno app. So you have to go to your email address to get the code. So once you've gotten this code, you come back here and input the code. So let me get this code somewhere in my email. Okay, so you have to come back and paste the code. Then after pasting this code, the next thing you need to do is to redeem your... Let me look for this code. I've not copied this code. So let me minimize. Let me go get the code. Let me get the code. Let me go to my email address. So I think it will be my email address, so I can get this code. The code has been sent. So let me just get the code. Then after getting the code, we are going to input the code on that empty space. Let me check through my email. I think they've sent it. Okay, that is it. So we are going to copy the code. Or let me just type it as it is, like this. 1003. Okay, let's type it. Seems we can't copy. Okay, so you can actually cram it and you put it, then you click on redeem. Okay, let me put the last number. Then after putting your code, the next thing is to redeem voucher. And once you click on redeem voucher, a text message will be sent to that same email address. So you go back to your email address. Okay, so when you go back to your email address, you are going to look for that verification code that they've sent to your email address. The same thing we did for the first one. We are still going to go search for it and copy. So we are going to copy this. Let me refresh. Okay, this is it. Voucher OTP. This is it. Okay, so now we are going to copy this. We're going to get the code. So getting the code, you are going to input the code right here. 6234. Okay, so automatically it goes. So you click on got it. So in no time, you'll be getting your money inside your local bank account. So this is how you can actually withdraw from your Luno app straight to your bank account. And so if you gained value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a nice comment. As of now, see you in my next video.